Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this sparkling blueberry lemonade that is so refreshing and perfect for the hot summer days. Let's get started. We're using some fresh blueberries and lemons to make the blueberry lemonade. We're going to start by blending the blueberries. So go ahead and throw them into a blender or a food processor, then blend them until smooth. Once the blueberries are blended, we're going to pour it into a pitcher. And then we're going to go back to the lemons and slice each lemon into two. And then we're going to use a lemon squeezer to squeeze out all the lemon juice into a measuring cup. Once the lemon juice is squeezed out, we're going to pour it into the pitcher. Next, we're going to make a simple syrup by mixing together water and sugar over medium heat. Stir everything together and allow the water and sugar to cook for about a minute or until the sugar has completely dissolved into the water. Once that is done, take the mixture off the heat, then allow the mixture to cool completely. Once the syrup has cooled, go ahead and pour it into the pitcher. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to fill it with some water. I want my blueberry lemonade to be sparkling, so I'm going to use soda water. I think soda water makes the lemonade extra refreshing, but you can use ordinary ice water. Be very gentle when you're pouring in the soda water, otherwise you'll get a lot of bubbles. Gently mix it in. Then we're going to finish it off with some fresh blueberries and fresh lemon slices. Then this sparkling blueberry lemonade is ready to be enjoyed. Pour it over a glass of ice and top with some fresh blueberries. Then enjoy this refreshingly sparkling blueberry lemonade. My family and I have been enjoying this sparkling blueberry lemonade. It's so refreshing. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.